Yes. You know I like it. Eh? It's fitting me now.
I know it fits you. It fits you. Just like you wore it last week. 3 days ago you wore it. You wore it yesterday and you're wearing it today. Now is it only this guy that you have?
I'm liking it. Eh? It is fitting me. It's fitting me.
Okay.
Coming back. You are Kolika. Daughtering of Mazebuga.
Of course.
This is my friend Nana. You know my friend Nana. We saying, let us ask you, why you not coming weekend lecture? We not seeing you. Why you not coming?
You're asking me? Hey. Oh, so you don't know that it's my father that is teaching that your lecturer? Hey, he's the one that is teaching him.
Hi, God. There is nothing that I will not see in this world. God, there is nothing I will not see in this world. Mazebuka, your father. Wait, is that what he told you? Eh? Yes. That he's the one teaching our lecturer. Hey, if I go come to Ndoshu. Mazebuka that cannot even speak very well, nor write.
You are even honoring the man. Eh? The man that is doing like zombie.
Look at you. Hey, do you know that I'm even better than you? Students, is it not better that you leave that thing that you're going there? Just go there and help your mother say akara. Hey, shut up.
This girl is insulting me.
Shut up!
Wait.
Who is insulting you?
I will beat him.
You do what?
Calm down. You're insulting my friend. Hey! Before me. And you're not even afraid.
Afraid of who?
Hey!
You or what?
It's not me that will kill you. Look at how you're looking like Boga fish.
Boga fish like her.
Party bomb. Hey! Shut up. Boga fish like her. Hey, wait, students.
Now listen to me. You call it car or whatever you call yourself. This will be the last time you will insult my friend before me. Else
what?
I will teach you a lesson that you will never forget in your entire life.
Shut up.
Please, leaving her.
Now
You
get
know
out
she's
of this.
crayfish. You're breaking her.
She's looking for who to kill her.
Breaking her. Please, leaving her.
Leaving her.
Now get out of this
Leaving
place.
her.
Leaving her.
Get out of this place. Get out.
Shut up.
Leave it, please.
Leaving her. Please. As for you, I'll catch you. You know what I can do? I'll catch you one that will do it.
Leave this place.
Shut up.
This one, oh. Leaving her.
Wait.
Oh yeah, get out.
Leaving her.
Leave this place.
Leaving her.
Leave this place.
I will catch you.
It's because I'm a good girl, oh.
Let me.
I don't want to
must
beat
catch you and do it with you. You know
I'm
what I
a
can
good
do?
girl, oh. I
Hey,
don't want to
shut
beat
up.
you. That's why I'm keeping quiet.
Give me that thing. Stupid girls.
Yala. And she's small, you know. She's doing like her father. And her mother. See how she's small. Eh? Like crayfish. Yet she's looking for trouble. Who to kill her? It's not me. It's not Nana. It's not Nana that will kill you. Not Nana at all. Don't mind her. Don't mind her. Listen, I will help you and make sure that your English is pure so that nobody will insult you. Okay? Don't worry. You have me, okay? I will help you.
Nana? Nana. How are you?
I'm fine. How is the wife?
You don't say, hey. My wife. My wife just for house.
Oh, that's uncle.
Oh, then they're fine. Hey.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
What's the talk now? The sun is too much.
See, you get something. Something I want beg. Okay. You see that mask where they put on my name? Thank you, come on.
Hey.
Yeah, thank you. They call me Ebu.
Give your phones. Ebu.
Yeah. You know, I still be a young boy.
Hey.
If I tell you my age, except you go the wonder.
Hi, Ebu. So, what is it you want to tell me?
You get this thing why I will want to tell you. Hey, this one I want to tell you. Don't tell. I want to tell you say I love you.
Eh? You could have got up in on.
I'm from Ghana.
That's you. Love me.
See, if you agree with this thing, what they tell you, hey, you see that money where my lecturer they pay me. That money where lecturer they pay me, hey, then is it? I go carry all the whole money, take a polish you.
That you, Mazibuka, you will take care of me.
Yeah, I will neutralize you.
What happened to your wife? Is she dead? Why are you saying this? What about your daughter? Do you want your daughter to kill me? Or is your wife dead?
You know the quarrel. See, but see. You see this is what they tell you. This is what they tell you. If you agree, if you nothing what you beg me, I no go do for you. You see that book where when they take
exam paper.
Yes, exam paper. Now me them want come. See, if you agree with this one, me and you they talk now. Your own paper, even the one where you fail, I'll just close eyes. The mark up. Exam.
Hey God.
See, I tell you, you see that one I lecturer. All those way they teach you now. Now me they teach you. After when you don't way you don't teach you go. When I go, me and him go the last one we teach
Ebu.
See, to tell you say the love what I get for you don't take. You know they see some way you fail and they mark them good.
See, Mazibuka, I am not cut out for all these things you're saying here. Let me even be going before someone comes out here and meet us. Because it's not even good in the ear. Talk more of someone seeing us here. Please.
Nobody
I have to be going. Please, just stay on your own.
Nobody will see us.
As it go, carry your. See your phone. Nice day,
Hey, come now. Wait now.
Don't even try to tell me this kind of thing next time.
It's only me and you.
Don't try. Don't follow me. With this your big belly. Now thunder go fire this. Follow me. See your eyes like squirrel eyes.
Chinenye, stand up. Ada, Shioma, stand up. Please, I want this class to look at these students. Look at them, see what they have done to themselves. This subject they failed now is the last subject anyone can think of failing. But they all failed. They got 0%. If you ask them to read their books, they will not. They'll be walking around this village looking for boys.
Sir, I wrote my own. I didn't know what happened.
You wrote your own. You didn't know what happened.
Me too.
You too. Will you shut up, please? Don't you see Amaka? Don't you see Nana? Don't you see Emeka? Are they not in the same class with you? Look at what this one said. Sir, I wrote my own, but I don't know what happened. Look at your mouth. You're moving out of the class. Class, look at them. You're leaving this class without my permission. Where do you think you're going to? Class, look at them. You're leaving this class without my permission. Come on, go back.
Open the door. Are you mad?
Leave them, let them go. Leave them, let them go. Yes?
You start to let them go.
Leave them, let them go. Just see them. Yeah? How can they become somebody? And what they are going to become now, they are going to.
So now let's go again. So we're going to do it for the very last time.
Okay.
Last.
Okay.
For me?
Yes.
I like it though. It's very, very sweet. Isn't your house blocking?
Yes.
Very sweet too. They have orange in my house, but it's not sweet like this.
But I like this one.
I like it. I like orange very well. Oh. Orange is very sweet too.
It's very sweet.
Is it for your house?
Yes.
No, we have orange in the house.
But I like this one.
I like this one. This is time. So it's very sweet though.
Yes.
Nan.
Hey.
Eh? Do you know you are afraiding me?
Oh, you are afraid? Hey, don't be afraid. Come on. Has anybody ever told you that you are very, very beautiful? Hey, you are very, very beautiful.
Thank
you. Come here. I would like you to give me this Ikotreko.
Azebuka, what are you doing now? What is that?
No, I'm only trying to tell you that I like you so.
Stopping it. I don't like it.
You are not
looking at you, Mazebuka. You are not shaming, no. Hey, this man is not shaming at all.
Shame of
Look
what?
at you.
Come.
Hey, old man like you. Old man. Nonsense.
If you don't allow me to take this in, if you see this Ikotreko, yeah, I am going to tell the whole villagers what is this nonsense you just dropped here. This place now you are teaching is your father's farm.
No.
Oh, not your father's farm. That's why I want you to give me this thing.
Leaving me now?
See, let me tell you. If you don't give me this thing, this Ikotreko, I'm going to tell the owner of this farm. And I also told the owner of this. You in charge of the whole villagers. But you are the one messing up this man's farm.
Mazebuka, when is it crime for somebody to pissing on land?
Oh!
When is it crime? Okay. I see what you are doing, Abi. You want to intimidation me? Mazebuka, you want to intimidation me, Abi? You cannot it will not work in. It will not. You think I'm afraid of you? I'm not afraid of you. Old man like you. You will not go in and die. Nonsense. You want to spoil me? Look at you.
I never owed. You see that old man with the top? Come on. If I tell you my age, you gonna get the clap for me.
See, let me Mazebuka, let me tell you. You see, if I don't tell your wife, how you are spoiling children for this village. If I don't tell your wife, call me basket.
Hey, come.
No sense.
I beg, come. I beg. I need a beg. You see this thing I don't do, I beg. A mistake. Now set and cause him. I beg.
If you like, kneeling up is not my business. Nonsense.
You see this my wife?
Useless old man.
Wait. If you see this my wife, you just put inside this matter. I beg, just come out. No even try him, I beg. To tell my wife and I beg. Hey! Hey. This yellow popo. Which kind of devil be this? Now which kind of devil be this? We go one company for temptation. Hey!